Hello, family and fine folks. Thanks for tuning in to Frank Myers Television. I'm your host, Stephen Irby, aka Country Black. This right here is our proud new owner of a nice, slightly used vehicle that she just purchased from Frank Myers Auto Maxx. Tell me, how was your experience here?
It's very good.
Was it hassle free? Did anybody twist your arm, pull your leg, make you buy a car? All right. So she came down here on her own wheel. You can too. Come down here and see me or any of our non-commissioned sales professionals here at Frank Myers Auto Maxx, where everybody rides. We will get you rolling in your next new vehicle. We got a little ceremony here for everybody who does purchase a vehicle from us. They get a chance to be a celebrity and hit our celebratory gong. So we're going to give that a whack on the counter.
Yay! 3!
Thank y'all for tuning in. Come see any of our non-commissioned sales professionals at Frank Myers Auto Maxx, where everybody rides.